In this video, I'll show you how to change your country or region on Roblox, which is useful for playing restricted experiences in your country. To do this, click on the settings wheel on the top right hand side and press settings. You can then scroll down to see your account location. You cannot change this directly, but what you can do is use Roblox's help center to submit a request. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on About Us. In the Resources section, click on Help Center and type in Account Location. Then click on Support Form and fill out all the options. In the Help category, select Device Type and click on Help Category Type. Finally, type in your reasoning for changing your location. After confirming all the details, submit the form. Wait for the customer service team to send an email to your registered email. They may either update your account manually or request further documentation to prove your location.